Alright again guys, just going to do this Commodore 64. Like I say, it's been pack test, it's broke, so I'm going to get into it and see what's inside. I've never done one before, so I want to have a quick look what's inside one. Quite a bit of wiring, loads and loads of screws. Some sort of heat shield or something like that. In a minute. You can see there's all globe plating on these ends. I'm just going to give this a scratch. Let's see. Copper plated. Got copper inside the board. So there's loads of IC chips. All different types of components. Got to be something underneath here. But I'm just going to stop the video because it can take 15-20 screws. It'll take me ages to get into it. So I'm just going to get into it and I'll do a part 2. I'd like to have a look. 10 minutes. Do it again.